Ever wondered why policies, controls, and procedures are crucial in network administration? Well, let's dive in and unravel this intriguing question. Policies, controls, and procedures are the three musketeers of network administration, all for one and one for all. They form the backbone of a well-managed network, ensuring its smooth operation and protecting it against a myriad of potential threats. First off, policies. Think of them as the rule book of the network. Policies lay down the law on what's acceptable and what's not within the network. They define the boundaries of operation, guiding users and administrators alike on the correct and secure use of the network. Next, we have controls. Controls are the vigilant sentinels of the network, enforcing the policies set in place. They're the technical and administrative tools used to prevent, detect, and correct any deviations from the established policies. From firewalls and antivirus software to regular system audits, controls are there to keep the network in check. Last but not least, we have procedures. Procedures are the step-by-step guides for carrying out tasks within the network. They're like the GPS of network administration, providing a detailed roadmap for every task, ensuring consistency, efficiency, and most importantly, security. Now you might be wondering, how do these elements work together? Well, it's simple. Policies set the standards, controls enforce these standards, and procedures guide the execution. It's a symbiotic relationship where each element complements the other, creating a robust and secure network environment. But what happens if one or more of these elements are absent or not effectively implemented? Chaos. Without these elements, a network could quickly spiral into disarray, becoming a playground for potential threats. Unsecured data, unauthorized access, system malfunctions, you name it. The absence of policies, controls, and procedures could leave a network exposed and vulnerable to all sorts of cyber threats. So, to sum it up, the importance of policies, controls, and procedures in network administration cannot be overstated. They are the pillars that uphold the integrity, security, and efficiency of a network. Without these elements, a network could easily become disorganized, leaving it vulnerable to numerous threats. Now, how about we delve a bit deeper into the world of policies in network administration? Our journey begins with the role of policies, an integral part of any network administration. In a nutshell, policies govern the actions within a network. They define what is acceptable and what is not, shaping the inner workings of the network. Imagine policies as the unspoken laws of a city, laying down the ground rules for its citizens. Similarly, in network administration, policies control the flow of data, the connection of devices, and the access of users. They set the standard for network use, dictating how each component should behave to ensure a smooth, secure, and efficient operation. Furthermore, policies serve as a reference point. They help in decision-making, problem-solving, and even conflict resolution within the network. So you see, policies aren't just about rules and regulations. They are the backbone of network administration, providing structure and guidance. In essence, policies are the rule book for network use and behavior. Moving on, let's explore the role of controls in network administration. Controls are the unsung heroes of network administration, functioning as the enforcement arm of the policies we've set into place. They are essentially the gatekeepers, ensuring that all users adhere to the set policies and keeping the network safe, secure, and operating smoothly. Now, controls can be of two types, technical and administrative. Technical controls are implemented through technology. They include firewalls, antivirus software, and encryption protocols. Think of them as the physical barriers that keep intruders out. On the other hand, administrative controls are more about procedures and policies. They cover aspects like user training, incident response plans, and regular audits. They're the strategies and protocols that ensure everyone plays by the rules. Together, these controls create a robust defense system against potential threats, ensuring the integrity, confidentiality, and availability of our network at all times. Controls are the enforcement arm of network administration, ensuring all users adhere to the set policies. Now, let's turn our attention to procedures in network administration. Procedures are like the bread and butter of network administration. They provide a step-by-step guide on how to implement the policies and controls we've discussed earlier. Think of them as your detailed roadmap for navigating the complex terrain of network administration. These procedures are more than just a list of tasks. They're a systematic approach to ensuring consistency and reliability in a network. When everyone knows the procedures and follows them to the letter, the chance of errors or mishaps diminishes significantly. Whether it's routine maintenance, system upgrades, or responding to a security breach, procedures keep the ship sailing smoothly. They ensure that every action taken aligns with the established policies and controls. In essence, procedures are the embodiment of the adage, consistency is key. They bring to life the theoretical concepts of policies and controls, providing a practical and executable approach to network administration. Procedures are the detailed guide to network administration, ensuring consistency and reliability. Having understood the roles of policies, controls, and procedures, it's time to see how they synergize. The interplay between these elements forms a fortress, an impenetrable defense system that keeps your network safe. Let's take a moment to visualize this synergy. Imagine a well-oiled machine, every gear and cog working in harmony, contributing to the overall function of the system. In network administration, policies, controls, and procedures are those gears and cogs. Policies are the blueprint. They provide the overall strategy and direction. They are the rules of the game, setting the boundaries and expectations for everyone within the network. Policies define what is acceptable and what is not. They guide the behavior of users and administrators alike. Now think of controls as the enforcement arm of these policies. They are the tools and mechanisms that ensure the policies are adhered to. Controls monitor, detect, and respond to any anomalies or breaches in the network. They are the watchful guardians, the sentinels, standing guard over your network, ensuring that all activities align with the established policies. Then we have procedures, the detailed steps that guide the implementation of policies and controls. They are the roadmap, providing a step-by-step guide on how to navigate the network while adhering to the policies and controls. Procedures provide consistency. They ensure that tasks are performed the same way every time, reducing the chance of errors or missteps. These three elements, policies, controls, and procedures, are intertwined, each relying on the other to function effectively. They work together to create a secure, efficient, and organized network. They are the gears that keep the network administration machine running smoothly. In conclusion, policies, controls, and procedures are the backbone of network administration, each playing a vital role in ensuring a secure, efficient, and organized network.